A very good afternoon, my dear students. Yesterday we discussed about the lesson, the fun they had. So yesterday lesson got over. So now let us come to the exercise part. Which lesson? The fun they had. So now let us solve the exercise. First, how old are Margie and Tommy? Can you tell me how old those both are? Margie was of 11 years and Tommy was of 13 years. Question number 2. What did Margie write in her diary? What did she had written in her diary? She wrote that today Tommy got a new book and dated like a May 17, 2157, and what she wrote today May 17, 2157, Tommy got a real book. Tommy found a real book. Next, third one. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Tell me, had Margie seen that book before? No. She had never seen that book before. Question number 4. What things about the book did she find strange? What things, by seeing that book, what things made her to feel like different, like strange things? What kind of things? That book was completely with of yellow color pages and it was crinky, and the main thing is that those words were still, means those words were not moved anywhere, and those words were there only in that page only. But as comparing to the computer screen, always there will be a movement in the computer screen. But in that book which the Tommy found, in that book, the book was completely crinky and yellow pages, and the words were still there only. Next, what do you think a telebook is? Can you tell me what is telebook? Telebook is a book of the television, means that the television screen, that computer screen will give same as information, same as the normal book is giving. So telebook is displayed on the television screen, and it's working as a computer screen and displays the same information or subjects as the books are revealing. Next, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Where was Margie's school? Margie's school was near her own bedroom. Near her own bedroom. Did she have any classmates? No. Why? Because no friends, no teachers like mechanical teacher she had, and no enjoyment, no friends, nothing. Why? Because she sat in a virtual class. She had a virtual classroom, means only sitting in front of computer and learning through computers. So she had no any companions. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? What subjects did Tommy and Margie learn? Margie learned geography and mathematics. Next, here Tommy history and mathematics. Okay. Margie learned geography and mathematics, and this Tommy history and mathematics. Next, second maid. Answer the following with reference to the context. Question number 1, I wouldn't throw it away. So here what is your work? You should tell who told this sentence and to whom it was said and on what situation and condition this sentence was being told. These are all things you need to tell now. First, I wouldn't throw it away. What is the sentence? I wouldn't throw it away. You know who said that sentence. First, who says these words? Who says these words? These words were told by Margie. Who? Margie. Next, what does it refer to? It refers to the real book which Tommy found. I wouldn't throw it away. It refers to the real book which Tommy had found. What it being compared with by the speaker? The speaker compared this book with the telebook. Next. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So, here, who does they refer to? Now tell me, who does they refer to? Sure, they had a teacher. They means they refers to the people of the old times. They refers to the people of the old times. Next, what does regular mean here? What does regular mean here? In the sentence, sure they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. So here, what does regular mean here? Here, regular refers to the mechanical teachers they had. Here, what this regular refers to? Regular refers to the mechanical teachers which they had in their time. Next, what is it contrasted with? See, sure they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. What contrast we can see in this lesson? Here, it is contrasted with a normal teacher and with the mechanical teacher. So, here mechanical teacher is a machine, normal teacher is a human being. So, these two contrasts we can see in this sentence. This contrasted with a normal teacher with mechanical teacher. Next, they refer to the people. Okay. Next, answer each of these questions in a short paragraph. Now, third main is answer the following in a short paragraph. Question number 1. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? What kind of teachers did Tommy and Margie have? They had, what kind of teachers they had? They had mechanical teachers and they were taught by only through the computers. There were no any normal teachers who teaches in the school in front of the children. They had teachers like a mechanical teachers and everything they will get information through the screens. Next, they didn't have any, just now I told that they didn't have any, like a live person means the person who is standing in front of them, they didn't have the live person in front of them and they had only a mechanical teacher, like a machine teacher. And as I told you that they were taught with the help of the screen and they had a mechanical teachers. Next, did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? Why did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? Margie's mother took her towards the country inspector. Why? Why? Because the Margie was doing worse and worse always in her tests and homework. So, by seeing all her slow progress, she wanted to know what is the problem. So, to know the real fact of her study, the Margie's mother took her to the country inspector. What did he do? What is the question number 3? What did he do? Here, what did he do? He refers to the country inspector. What he does, he slowed down. Actually, that machine, that mechanical teacher was working very fastly that Margie could not get properly what that machine was displaying or teaching to her. So what she felt very difficult to understand and to grasp that knowledge. So what she did, due to that effect of that, she did her exams and tests and homework worse and worse. So what this country inspector did, he had a whole box full of dials and wires. So what he did, he repaired that machine and he brought back that machine to the level of the 10 years. By that, already we know that the Margie was of 11 years old. So that country inspector set that mechanical teacher into her level of thinking and level of understanding. By that settings, she can easily understand what the mechanical teacher actually teaches. So he repaired that machine and allowed Margie to learn properly. Next, why was Margie doing badly in geography? Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the country inspector to do? Help her. So what he did? The country inspector repaired that machine and adjusted to the level of the Margie and helped her to get that questionnaire and study and everything what it was displaying on the screen. The country inspector helped to Margie to get it properly and clearly and without any confusions and without any doubts. This work was done by country inspector only with the intention to help the Margie to get well marks and to see good progress in her studies. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? What happened? What happened to Tommy's teacher? What happened? As we already discussed in the lesson. So what happened? Once Tommy's teacher was completely, teacher in the sense mechanical teacher, was completely blanked out. Means all the data and information in the subject, in the history subject, in that machine was completely wiped out, means erased. So what happened? So to repair that, the country inspector had taken the time of 1 month. So what he did? He had taken that machine mechanical teacher away to get it repaired up to 1 month. Why? Because all the information and data were wiped out completely. So to repair that, what this country inspector did, he took away that and took 1 month to get it repaired. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? Yes. So why? Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? Yes, Margie had. How? Only except Saturday and Sunday her class were running every day on time only except Saturday and Sunday. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? How does Tommy describe the old kind of the schools? How means when Margie asked about old schools to Tommy, he said that there were teachers like human beings. There were no any machines like now how we are having. So during those centuries ago, there were teachers, normal teachers, means living beings. They themselves teach in the school. That school means a big building. The teachers will not teach, will come to our house and they will not teach to the single. Means they had a separate building and the kids, those who want to study, they would go there and they all together sit and to them the teacher will teach in the class, and there only the teacher will clarify their doubts and everything and allow them to enjoy, to play, to talk, to laugh and to share the homework and difficulties, everything the teacher allows the children to do, and the teacher would encourage all the children to get active participation in all kind of activities. So the centuries ago what happened, all the teachers used to teach in the buildings and the kids, those who want to study, they used to go to the buildings and study in the single classroom with their companions. Next, how does, that's over. Next, answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. This one we'll discuss in the next class.